Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Caliban. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood. Today is April 1st, which is April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day.
Yeah, and today it was confirmed Pokemon is coming.
Pokemon, yeah. Follow them on Twitter.
Yeah, Simpsons is gone. Zelda's coming to Supercharged. Donkey Kong's coming. It's all happening. Confirmed today. I'm just kidding. Don't believe nothing. One thing that is not an April Fool's joke, sold out. Sold out theme park. Oh my Lanta. I guess it is the day after Easter, but it's still a Monday. It's a freaking Monday. Look at the lower lot. Jeez Louise. So we were going to try to do the studio tour, but even that was 1 hour. We're going to wait till 3 o'clock where Platinum gets express. So let's walk around, get updates of Fast and Furious, maybe some horror nights over there with the Mummy queue, or behind Mummy. And we'll be on the studio tour in a little bit. When do you ever see Mel's Diner outside the door? Back to check out Fast and Furious. Last time we were here, all the holes were being put for foundation of roller coaster, but it rained a lot, so a lot of mitigation happening with that to get it all drained and dried up. But the holes all arriving now, it's such a good sign. Can't wait to start seeing pipes, like roller coaster pipes like that. I think the big new update is like some pole went up over here, which looks like to be show building, nothing with the actual coaster itself. But man, they're moving. They got a lot of people out here. Can't wait to come back in like a week or two to really see how far things progress in short periods of time. This is the pole that I'm talking about right here. This is April 1st. April. Let's see what it looks like on the other side of the escalators. All right, doesn't look too bad on this side, because it rained pretty hard in the morning yesterday. I would say on the other side of the escalator, they are pretty far in regards to actually going vertical. This is like so much progress. My gosh, I didn't see any of these last time I was here. But I'm excited. I still can't believe that we're getting a roller coaster that's gonna do this or go this way. I think, yeah, it's gonna go that way. You believe that, Junior?
I can't believe it, but I'm excited.
How are they gonna work on this when it actually goes above your head, you know?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out, are they gonna close this down? So, you know, it's gonna fall over.
Yeah, I think they either work really early or somehow get to work really late. I would say really early.
Really?
Yeah, because there's no way you could close the escalators.
Yeah, there's no way to go down to the lower now.
Yeah, you gotta go Super Nintendo World.
There's no way.
Man, look how busy the lower lot is. Wow. That's crazy. All right, here we got some juicy stuff for Halloween Horror Nights. This is the queue behind Mummy. We actually got wood being laid down. And now the question becomes, is this truly the front or the back? Is that the exit or the entrance? Junior, what are you going to say? Early speculation.
I have to say it's going to be exit.
Exit?
Exit on this side, entrance on the other side.
All right.
I'm just saying that because they don't want us to see the facade. That's why. So.
All right. I was saying maybe they haven't cut the ground yet, because you kind of do see like arrows. Maybe that's saying like a walkway. Is there any way that like the entrance and the exit are both on that side? Have they ever done that? It
has been done before.
Oh,
Yeah.
on the Mummy.
Yeah, on the
Which one did it? Which one did it?
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh,
07,
so
08.
the exit and the entrance were both on the same side?
It would be like straight, or like this.
Yeah.
Like that. and then you go the other side like that.
Wow.
Left to right, and then you exit on the left side.
So maybe nobody exits right there. I don't know, but this is just exciting. They're getting the flooring done. So I'm guessing we're not too far off from a facade actually arriving. But most importantly, we need announcements.
Yeah, we need announcements
Just
already.
give us the dates at least.
I know. Give us one announcement.
Something.
I don't know, something. I don't know.
Yeah. When are we going to get our first house announcement? Are they going to wait till midsummer?
Yeah.
I'm hearing some early buzz that Twisters is really, really good. We got to wait till July 19th, but I'm excited. I love Twisters 1. And then Despicable Me. Hopefully we get some promotion and marketing happening at the theme park for that movie come July 3rd. But look at this. Damn. It is busy. Busy day out here. Oh my gosh. Dude, you can't even walk. Wow. Zombie apocalypse official.
Design, release rumble, frenzy, ravage, red bat, attack if you must. Spare those whose lips tremble with awe. Megatron! Once their defenses are broken, let the slaughter begin. There are plenty of Autobots for you, but Prime is mine.
Damn. Oh my gosh. So the regular line goes that way to come in a Super Nintendo World. Dude, busy. Oh my god. Honestly, they are pacing the crowds like really good. I was expecting it to not be able to even walk out here, but it's manageable. Wow, all right. Well, I guess the whole pacing thing, very good idea. I legit thought it was gonna be like unbearable to walk in here, but it's nice. Oh, we got a lot of coins.
Three players coming in.
No freaking way. Wow. You ever seen 120 minutes?
Never in my life.
I guess it's the day after a holiday, but today's Monday. Today's freaking Monday.
After Easter, yeah. That's crazy.
Wow, 2:30. Want to get this angle before we go on the studio tour. Starting to see a lot of movement happening, a lot of people in this area. And that's where all the holes were being put. Can't wait to see what this looks like next week. Man. It's crazy how many challenges they've had to endure just like January to March, you know? So wild.
Inside, take a peek down that street. And the first block is sort of what we call our financial district out here on this water area. It's supposed to be this exotic location of like Bora Bora.
Ooh, are they testing?
So they created it
We got a
here.
studio tour now.
Sometimes that happens. You don't get a big budget. You can't afford to travel overseas. We have a great option for you. It's called Little Europe. We haven't always used it as Europe. For several seasons, it was
That was hot.
And Tom Hanks called that neighborhood home in The Birds. So we're about 10 minutes from the end of the tour. We'll be returning to the theme park shortly. If you have a medical emergency, please pull the red emergency door. Director Jordan Hume. Just a moment, we're taking you to Jupiter's Plane, the original sets from his sci-fi thriller hit Nope. I'll tell you more about the sets, the production, and all, everything that it took to put this together. We got the director. Thank you all for being part of our crew here on the world famous Universal Studios tour. Let's give my friend and our driver, Michael, a round of applause for John Bradley. Thank you so much. Visit us online or ask at one of our retail stores. We're almost back to the Tram Plaza, but please remain seated to the tram comes to a complete stop at one of our tours.
Just finishing up with the studio tour. A lot still going on at Bates Motel. I don't know what's happening there, but there's constructing stuff. Looks like the buildings, the destroyed buildings for War of the World, that's finishing up. I'm hearing lots of talk too that studio tour 60th, like a version of that, is happening for workers sometime soon in April. So I think it's just a matter of time before we get an announcement for like regular guests and the 60th anniversary and that popcorn bucket that's going to be coming for the 60th anniversary of the studio tour. So lots of exciting stuff to happen. We still haven't gone through where like the cars are, you know, the show cars. Who knows, man? A lot of stuff's missing on the studio tour. So I can't wait to just get the full experience again. So that is going to be all for today's adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I don't know if we'll be back again this week because these crowds are crazy. And there's not a lot to do unless I have Express with my Platinum Pass, and that's after 3. So we'll see if we come back. I think we might wait till next week. Let these spring break crowds come and go. But thank you everybody so much for following us. Another adventure over here at Universal. Smash that like button. We're firing it.